Alright, so maybe a couple months ago now I made a post about how to make custom ringtones for your iPhone. And a couple of people have let me know that they've been having problems doing so. So I'm just going to do a quick video now to show you that it is easy. So first off, we're going to start. You need to download some random unprotected MP3 file. You cannot use songs you've downloaded from iTunes for this. So here we have a MP3 file. You can see it's just a normal MP3 we just downloaded off some random site on the internet. Okay, so now we're going to have to add it to our iTunes library. So we'll just throw it over. It's right down here. Hit info. Yep, and it's just our same MP3 file. So we've hit. Okay, so step 1, right click, get info, and go to options, start time, and we'll just say maybe 5-second mark, stop time, maybe 35-second mark. Okay, so your ringtone can be a maximum of 30 seconds long. Anything longer and it won't work. Okay, then we'll just hit OK. So nothing's happened yet, so we're going to right click again and we're going to hit convert selection to AAC. And that's created a new file right here. Okay, so what we're going to do next, just to show you that this does work, we're going to hit get info. And info, I'm just going to name it to ringtone test. Ringtone test, that's the new name of this file. Okay, so here it is again. So now this is in our iTunes library, and it's 30 seconds long. And what we need to do next is either you can just drag it onto your desktop, like I've done here, or you can go into Finder on your Mac, or Windows Explorer on your PC, and just search for your file, ringtone test. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to change the extension on it from M4A to M4R. M4R. And say, are you sure you want to change? We want to use M4R. Okay, so there's our ringtone file. The next step is important. Go back into your iTunes library, and what we need to do is remove this file. So we're going to hit delete. Are you sure you want to remove the song from the library? Yes. And we'll just hit keep file. Okay. Now we'll go over to our ringtone section here. And you see I have one that's my Hello Moto ringtone. But what we want to do next is go to File, Add to Library, and we are searching on our desktop here, and our file is called ringtone test, ringtonetest.m4r. So you can either just drag it from your desktop over, or you can do it this way, and then we'll hit open. And here is ringtone test in our ringtones folder. There's our new ringtone. Okay, next step. We are going to take our iPhone 3G and we're going to connect it to our dock. So we're connected. Now we've shown up here. Now we are going to click on ringtones. And then we are going to sync ringtones. We already have this one on our phone. We do not have this one. So we'll just hit sync all ringtones. Sync. Sync in progress. See, it's just updating our files. Sync complete. Okay, so here's our iPhone. Now we are just going to go into settings. Sounds. Ringtone. Ringtone test.
Some live for their bill, some kill for their bill.
So that's our new ringtone. Now we're just going to phone our phone. So just one moment while we phone our phone.
Some live for their bill, some kill for their bill. She whine for the bill, grind for the bill.
Alright, so that is how you make custom ringtones for your iPhone. Like I said, it's quite easy. Just follow the steps as I've lined out in this video, and in no time you're going to be making ringtones from any MP3 file that you want. Alright, that's it.